Kakanhon Menteri ka Sorkar Jilla ha khatsau tarik nai wing kala ai ka jingmynjur ban pynkylla ka Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management FRBM Act arjan riu. Kani ka jing pynkylla ka penyahap ya ka rukam penyat ya ka platin ka jong ka Jilla bat karai jong ka Sorkar India ban ai jing bit ya ka Jilla ban penkyu ya ka fiscal deficit na kalai persen syakalai 0.9% jong ka gross state domestic product GSDP na ka benta ban shimram. Habagran syakilat patai kubor hadin ke jingilang, Menteri Sorkar ubak wailat miki shila ulaong, kumpa pitip bakadai ke kam ke baju liaman ke por ha ke baka Sorkar India kala ajing bid, yangi ban penkiwe ke fiscal deficit na kalai persen syakalai 0.9% ban shimram. Ngilale ru ha usnyam baladab hendringi hab ban le ke neman la ke por.
So the first one is amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you know, that is normal thing where the government of India has allowed us to increase our fiscal deficit from 3 to 3.5 to take loan. That is normally like we have done it last year, but we have to do it every year. So this is normally to increase from 3 to 3.5. The second one is the acquisition of additional land at Tenring, New Shillong Township, to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So this is, we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from here, from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that.